Hello everyone and welcome to Elif's Kitchen. Today I want to share with you my recipe for fried eggplants and potatoes in the oven. It's a famous Turkish dish called oturtma. I hope you like it. So let's get started. Let's take a quarter of a teacup of oil into the pan. Now add 400 grams of minced meat and roast it over high fire. The minced meat will release its juice. Let's continue roasting until it absorbs the water it has released. Then add one small chopped onion. Roast like this for a few minutes. Then add enough salt and pepper and roast until the onions soften a little. We don't need to roast too much. Let's take the minced meat from the stove. I have 3 eggplants. I peel them speckled. Let's cut it in circles that is not too thin. I take them into a bowl and add 2 dessert spoons of salt and some water on it. Let's cover a plate on it and wait for 20 minutes for it to release its bitterness. Let's cut 5 or 6 medium-sized potatoes into circles in the same way. Let's take the eggplants into the strainer. Later, put the eggplants on a tray with grease-proof paper. I prefer to fry in the oven, but it's up to you. If you want, you can fry them in oil. After lining the eggplants, let's grease them all over with the help of a brush. Don't forget to turn the other sides and oil the other sides as well. We are gonna bake it in the preheated oven at 250 degrees for about 10-15 minutes until they are lightly browned. Look, both sides are browned. I take it from the oven. I lined the potatoes on a tray with grease-proof paper likewise. I'm greasing them again. I turn the other sides and grease again. Let's fry them in a preheated oven at 250 degrees for about 10-15 minutes. Now, take a quarter of a teacup of oil in a saucepan for the sauce of our oturtma. Let's add a tablespoon of tomato paste on it. We are gonna roast for 2-3 minutes. Then, add 3-4 cloves of chopped garlic on it. Add a small amount of salt and pepper and mix for a few seconds. Now, add 2 cups of water and boil it for a short time. Then take it from the stove. I have a large square Pyrex. I place half of the potatoes at the bottom. Then place half of the eggplants on it. We are gonna spread our mortar with minced meat on it. Let's pour 1 or 2 scoops of our sauce over the minced meat. Then place the remaining eggplants on it. Later, pour some sauce on it again. And then put our remaining potatoes on it. Let's pour 1 or 2 scoops of sauce on it again. I wanted to decorate it with tomatoes, green peppers, and red peppers. You can decorate as you wish. Let's pour all the remaining sauce on it. We are gonna cook it for 35-40 minutes in a preheated oven at 200 degrees. I cooked it for about 35 minutes. And look, with its wonderful consistency, as you can see, our oturtma with potatoes and eggplants is ready for service. You can serve it with rice. Look, they were cooked very soft and they were very delicious. I hope you will try and like it. I'm waiting for your likes and comments. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notifications by clicking the bell icon. Thank you for watching my video.